everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm just here to share the members of my new design team. I try not to wave my hands about. So I did a design team call and yeah, I had quite a lot of people apply. I was shocked. So it was very difficult to choose. These people have all been chosen for different reasons. And I just think that they're going to just bring something a little bit different. So we've got the lovely Kay Maud, who is Kazakins one on YouTube. She's one of my suggested channels if you're ever on my homepage. She's one of my long-standing friends. She's already really doing it, to be honest. And then there's the lovely Anjit Burkholder, who I met through my Facebook group, and I started watching her, and her and her husband both kind of craft together, and they've got a shared space, and I just loved watching them. I found them really endearing, so I wanted to share them with you. Now, after the video, do go to the description box below and I will leave the social media links for these people. So you can go and have a look at the channel, maybe give them a subscription and show them some support, and then you will see as they do their projects using the kits that they've requested, you'll see them. So then we've got, now I'm really not very good at pronouncing names, so if I say it incorrectly I do apologise. Sani Croes, and she has a beautiful channel, really lovely, go and have a look. Okay, Tammy White is Amazon Tammy, and she's just a really nice lady. I really enjoyed watching her channel and what she did and the way that she chats, and she's just really nice. Sani doesn't have as many videos, but I think she's from Norway if I remember correctly, and she likes to make a lot of cards and a lot of other things, and she's very active on Facebook. So yeah, and then we've got Irina Klassen, Fun Life on a Budget, absolutely lovely. And now her style of journal making, I absolutely love. Go and have a look at her, you will love her journals. She does quite long videos, doesn't bother me. I love to sit and just feel like I'm crafting along. They don't have to be, 2-minute long videos. She's lovely, she's interesting to watch, she's got fantastic ideas. And then we've got the lovely Debbie Harper. Now Debbie's not on YouTube, but I've known Debbie for a long time through the crafty community, and she's very prolific within the within the journaling community, in the groups on Facebook, and she makes lots of things, and she's got a beautiful style. So there's my team. It is a small team, and it's a small team for a reason, because I'm going to be sending these ladies, as well as them getting obviously the kits, whatever they want each time, free. I'm going to be sending them a thank you pack. So I couldn't have 1 million people, else it would cost me a fortune. But as a thank you to my design team, they will all get in the mail between now and the next 3 months in turn a thank you pack from me. So please do go and show these ladies some support. Massive thank you as well to my friend Lou, who's helping me design my newer kits, and the fabulous Rachel Dewan, who's going to be designing some of the card kits. Not all of them, some of them. I'll still do some myself. But yeah, so we're building a nice strong team, and we're getting busier and busier, so it's lovely. Thank you to everybody who supported me. And that is purchasing the digitals that I'm selling over on my Ko-fi. The link for that's in the description below. It's going really well. I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm very humbled, to be honest, at the amount of interest that's shown in my work, so thank you. Also, I do give away, for every journal kit that I make, I'm probably giving away 5 or 6 more freebies. There's freebies every single week on my Facebook group. I do extra freebies to go just on Ko-fi, and then starting up again next month, I'll have the challenge, Monday challenge in my Facebook group, and with that challenge I will be providing some sort of digital. So that's at least 8 digitals a month free on my Facebook group. So, you know, there's going to be quite a lot to see and to use. So come along and join the Facebook group. The link for that's in the description box below as well. So just wanted to say an extra massive thank you to everybody who did apply. As I say, I was shocked how many did, and I'm so grateful, and it was very, very hard to narrow it down. I knew I could only have a small team because I'd made the promise to send goodie packs, and you know, I'm not you know, I don't have infinite resources, so I had to keep it to a low number. So thank you to everybody who applied. You're all amazing, you're all inspiring. Keep sharing, and thank you. So there we go, that's it. I'll have to go because my dog is under my desk and he's growling at me, so he must be hungry. Thanks for watching, take care, I'll see you soon, bye.